with that.
Dude, the Gundam people are like robbed.
Shit. Yeah, they're shit.
You guys got robbed.
Wow, we got Gundam theme. It's white, it's yellow.
Hello, alright. So, as I said before, we're finally gonna take a look at this. Let's open up the Z590 Wi-Fi Gundam Edition Asus motherboard. Let's begin. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. We're gonna take a look at some of its parts. Initially on our previous discussion topic on our podcast, subscribe to Tabletop New Type. So we were shit talking about the Gundam Asus collaboration, comparing it to the Asus Evangelion collaboration. Because, it feels like the Gundam one was kind of low effort. Essentially, the main difference is, I believe it has an extra... The Gundam one has a router with it. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. The Gundam one has a router and AMD variant. So the AMD variant I kind of saw. It is a mini ITX board. Or no, it is an ITX, just an ITX board, I believe. I'll put that on the screen. And yeah, it was really odd. It feels like they didn't give a shit about the AMD side of the collaboration. So I'm gonna check out the Intel one, because the Intel one seems to have the higher quality one compared to the AMD. So we are gonna be checking that out. So you got your antenna here. Okay, so it's a standard antenna. Yeah, there's no design flares. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I don't see any design flares on it, so it's a bit. Oh, yeah, no, it's a regular ass, the standard ass antenna. And finally, let's take this bad boy out. Okay, just initial glance. It doesn't look too bad. I believe that... Oh, nice. It has decals on it. So, let's take it out later. So, let's check out what's inside. So, we got their motherboard here. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I don't hate it, to be fair. Hold on. It's a little tight on the wrap. Come on. Oh, come on. This is hanging. Okay. Oh crap, it tore through the anti-static bag. Okay, alright, it's out now. Okay, now that I have a closer look at it, it's very odd. So, the heatsink, it's not even white. Yeah. So if you notice, this one is not even white. This is gunmetal gray. I believe that's the name of the shade. It's called gunmetal. Yeah, it looks really odd. I guess it's just on the picture itself. Okay, that kind of annoys me. I thought it's gonna be like a special Gundam battery, but no, it's a regular ass battery. So essentially this bar and this bar is gunmetal gray, and this heatsink, the only white portion is this, and it feels like a sticker. Holy crap. It's a well-designed sticker, but a sticker. This one, this fan cover over here looks a lot higher quality. Here. So if you look at there, yeah, this one is actually plastic. So the heat sinks itself, like, my dude, you didn't even powder coat it. Yeah, it feels like a bad sticker. Like this one. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about this. Either it's, yeah, no, it's, you can, feels like you can peel it off. This one, okay. The back plate is nice. It's better than what AMD got. The AMD Zaku version the back plate wasn't even built, or sorry, the IO shield wasn't even built into the board. It's like, I believe it's a separate IO shield that you have to install on whatever case you're gonna install it into. Okay. I'm seeing a bunch of stuff here that I like, and probably stuff you can improve on. Alright, so let's examine the socket. I like the touch. The socket cover is pretty good. Okay, hopefully no bent pins. Okay, I don't see any bent pins over here. Okay, that's not bad. Alright. So as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. I got this last night and I haven't inspected it. Okay, so let's put the board back in here for now. Again, overall, there are some parts of the board that is actually questionable. Let's visit the back. Okay, so you know what? It's a nice touch. It's not visible. Doesn't really matter what the design is, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's a good touch on the back. But yeah, I see where the cut corners are in this collaboration. Okay, so let's see what else is inside the packaging. So you got your sticker pack. That's not bad. I like it. I guess you can... Seriously? Hold on. Okay, so you can... Jesus Christ. So you can plug your... Oh god. So yeah, you can put this on your battery. So you can, you know, it'll be part of the design and shit. Ah, that's weak. Because again, this is disposable. So, you know, at some point you're gonna throw that battery away. Comes to the board. Nothing special here. It's just the regular ass manual. Yeah, so let's jump forward a bit and let's boot this baby up. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go over the test bench we're going to be using. So I'm using a 10900K for my CPU and a Noctua cooler. I usually either I actually have either the DH15 or the U12S. So yeah, I'm gonna decide to go with the U12S just because like it has enough power to cool down the 10900K KF. So we have the board installed. I'm just gonna use a standard. Ooh, interestingly enough, there's only 2 SATA ports here, and the rest are under here. So I don't know what's that gonna be for cable management. I have to look over the TUF board because I believe this board was based off the TUF, Asus TUF line. So yeah, we're gonna be running that, and I'm running a Patriot Viper 4400 MHz DDR4 RAM, 16 gigs. And for our graphics card, I'm gonna use the graphics card that pretty much matches the theme of the build, just because it's white, blue, and I guess pink, which is my Yeston card. Since the 3090 I'm using right now is on my current rig, so yeah, I'm going to be using this as an alternate white card and as a white PCB. So we'll get into that at the conclusion. But you know what? Let's set everything up.
The post screen is a bit much. Just adding the face of the Gundam, in my opinion, is an extremely overt display of the collaboration, rather than adding something else. Remember, this is a Gundam collaboration. There is an extremely large amount of iconography they could have used from the show to highlight this effort. Here's the side-by-side comparison between the 2 post-screen iconography of the 2 boards. Note that on the EVA collaboration board, the top secret in Japanese text is a great touch compared to the Gundam head image on the Z590 board. The bio screen layout is kind of a sore point for me. While the top and bottom margin designs are okay, they could have used other iconography from the show to display on the main screen. Honestly, the way they could have improved this is by replacing the Gundam image with a different icon. For example, they could have used the Earth Federation Space Force logo on the main body, as this is supposed to be that faction's motherboard. Side by side with the EVA BIOS, the same suggestion applies to it as well. This time, replacing Unit 01 with the NERV logo, or even the CL01 sound-only text would work as well. The amount of computer iconography that both these shows could have used, it's disappointing that they've decided to use these basic images. Overall, while the quality of this version of the Gundam board has improved over the previous TUF Line Gundam collaboration, it's still not the best they could do. It's not like they haven't been able to achieve a fantastic look when it comes to their collaborations. The Z490 Maximus 12 Extreme is a testament that Asus can do an incredible collaboration design when it comes to their boards. If they really wanted to make this one stand out, but still stick to a modified version of the TUF board, my suggestion is to use a white PCB as its base and add details from there. If Yeston is able to use a white PCB for their Sakura GPUs, there's no reason why Asus, a significantly larger company, should not be able to do the same. That is it for this unboxing. If you have any questions about this board, leave it down in the comments below and I will try to answer them as best as I can. For now, till next time.